Alright guys, welcome to the 3 simple step formula to cash in with Facebook groups on autopilot. Before we get started, I do want to go over a couple things. The first thing, if you could, please show some love and share my video with your Facebook friends, your Google Plus friends, tweet it and like it on LinkedIn. I would really appreciate that, guys. Finally, the next thing, if you need any help whatsoever, go ahead and scroll all the way down the bottom. You're going to notice that you can hook up with me on Facebook. I have a Marketing with Edson private members Facebook group. There it is right there. Inside my Facebook group, guys, what I do is I give you reviews of the latest products. I give you different ways to make money online, and I'm really there to make sure that you succeed online. So if you want to talk with me one-on-one on my Facebook group, do join me on Facebook. Now, if you don't like Facebook groups and you'd rather just be a fan, go ahead and sign up for my fan page, guys. Inside my fan page, I do the same thing. I'm always providing quality content and quality reviews of the latest products that have been launched, okay? Now let's go back and start the training, the 3-step formula to cash in with Facebook. Okay, now what I'm going to show you guys is we're actually going to promote a program called the Facebook group auto poster. I'm going to walk you step by step and I'm going to show you exactly how you do this. Keep in mind that what I'm about to show you, you can actually use with any affiliate product, with any CPA product. All you have to do is follow the same steps that I'm going to show you right now with your other affiliate offers, okay? So it's going to make more sense to you when you get done with all the training, but just keep that in mind, guys, okay? So in step 1, we need to sign up for a program called Facebook Group Auto Poster. Now, I've tested tons of Facebook group auto posters, and I can tell you right now, this is the best one simply because I'm still posting on Facebook, and it's been over 2 months. Most of these free programs out there, they're all crap and they don't work after just a couple weeks, and the other paid ones just don't know how to do it right. This is the one that I've been using and had the most success with, okay? If we scroll down on the bottom, you're going to notice there is a free version, a standard version, and a premium version. Okay, now the free version you get text message only and can only post to 25 groups and pages. Okay, the standard is $10. You can post to profiles, pages, and groups, and it's you can post text, images, links, and more. So we really need to be a standard member. Now, I promise you this, as long as you're willing to follow my step-by-step video course, you're going to make your money back within the next 48 hours, okay? That's how much I believe in what I'm teaching you, that I'm willing to guarantee you that you'll make your money back within the next 48 hours, okay? All right, so as soon as you sign up for the Facebook group auto poster, we can now move on to step 2. Alright, so in step 2, we're going to download a program called Jing. It's a free screen capture program. Now, if you already have a screen capture program, then you can actually skip this step and go directly to step 3. But if you don't and you like to get a free screen capture program, all you do is click on the link right here. And as soon as you click on the link, guys, you can download it. And let me show you what it looks like right here. There we go, see? And then all you can do is check this out. You can, woo! And you can capture it. So it's a free program. That's actually super cool because I actually paid $30 for mine, and I wish I would have known about this before I spent money. All right, so that's it. Let's move on to the final step where we're going to put everything together. All right, guys, great job getting here. We are just a few more steps away from learning how to make money with Facebook groups on autopilot. We just have a few more things to do and we'll be ready to go. So the first thing we need to do, guys, is we need to open up our dashboard of the Facebook group auto poster, okay? Right here at the very top, you're going to notice become an affiliate. Okay, once you became an affiliate, as when you signed up, all you have to do is go to get affiliate banners and links. Okay, so right here, there is my affiliate link for this program. So I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to click on the video below, or I'm sorry, not the video, but the link below, click to open Google Shortener, which is right here. And I'm going to take our affiliate link, I'm going to paste it in there, okay, and I'm going to shorten it. Alright, so there it is. There's my tiny little affiliate link to Facebook group auto poster. So perfect, we'll leave that right there. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to just go to the front of Facebook group autoposter.com right here, okay, and then this time we're going to open up Jing or whatever capture program you have, and we need to get a picture of this screen. We need to make it at least the size 1242 by 662, okay? So I'm going to start way over here. Okay, there we go. All the way over. What did I say? 1242. There we go. By 662. There we go. Look at that. So now we're going to capture that image and we're going to save it. Make sure and save it to where you know what is on your computer. I'm going to save it as Facebook group auto poster and save. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to save this one into my marketing with Edson folder. Where is it at? There we go. Save. Okay. Now we have that saved. We can actually close that out. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the second link, which is the post image. Now, if you do have web hosting, I recommend you upload the picture you just took to your own hosting account. But this is for people who don't have their own web hosting, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go right here to postimage.org. We're going to browse and we're going to find that image. Let's see here. Where'd you go? There we go, right there. Okay, and then we're going to family safe, do not resize. We're going to upload. Alright, so now here is the direct link to our picture. Let's see, copy that. We'll open up a new window. Paste. There it is. There's our actual picture right there, okay? So we can leave that just like that, and now we can go back into Facebook group auto poster into the dashboard. Okay, so now we're just about ready to start making some quick money, okay? First thing though, guys, is we need to scroll down right here. You see where it says groups? As you can see, I have 453 groups, guys, that I'm a member of. So if you don't have that many groups, you're not going to make that much money. So I need to show you how you get targeted groups from Facebook. Alright, so let me open up Facebook over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right over here where it says groups. You see that? And then go down where it says manage or find new groups. There we go. Find new groups. Alright, up here I'm going to put make money on Facebook. Okay. Here's a public group called Make Money on Facebook. So that definitely would be a good group to join. And then what you're going to notice is once we go to a group, okay, so it wasn't relevant enough. You know what? Let's just put make money on money online. There we go. Alright, so see I put in make money online, and you're going to notice over here suggested groups. It has groups we haven't joined yet. Work at home business, work from home, how to make money online. These are the type of groups, a better way to pursue financial security. These groups over here, guys, those are the type of groups you want to join because those are the targeted leads. Now remember, we're promoting the Facebook group auto poster. If you were going to promote something else, you'd want to find the groups related to that product you're promoting, okay? So the other thing is Facebook only allows like 30 to 40 group joins per day. So make sure not to go over it, because if you do, you're going to get this little warning from Facebook saying that you're misusing their groups, okay? I joined, 30 to 40. It took me about a month to get up to where I am now at 453 groups, okay? Now, the next thing is once you do have a lot of groups, what you want to do is you want to define groups. So if we go over here to groups, okay, and let's see, I have easy throwback profits promo, offline client promo, eBay promo, resale rights promo. So these are all different groups that I've had over the last month or so and that I've promoted to my Facebook group. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new group. Okay, and I'm going to name this one Facebook Auto Poster Promo. All right, now you see the very first button that says check all groups. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, there are groups out there who don't like auto posters. They hate when people auto post to their groups. So I never check all the groups because I know the certain ones that don't allow it. Now, most of the groups that don't allow it, I just leave as soon as they tell me, they message me on Facebook, hey, we don't like you doing this. I said, okay, and I leave the group. But there are a few groups out there I'm still a member to, and I go through my list and figure out who it is and not post to them, okay? So I'm going to pause the video here for a second, and I'm going to get a couple groups so we can continue on with this training. Okay, so I just picked just 3 groups, and then I'm going to submit. Alright, so there it is right there. So now that we have our group made, all we have to do is go back up to dashboard. And for the message, a good way to find out message is to go to the actual sales page and look at what they're writing. Automate your profile, group page, and postings today. Facebook has never been easier, blah, 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 blah. So, what I did is I created one. It says new software allows to post affiliate links, CPA offers, targeted website traffic to any online offer with Facebook groups on autopilot. Amazing features you won't find anywhere else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all that. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to paste it in there. And now remember that link? What we're going to do is we're going to grab that link right there that we created with the Google URL shortener. We're going to go back and we're going to add it right in there, okay? So now we can preview. So this is what's going to look like right here. I'm going to put a space. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now the next one would be the actual link. So again, we can add that link right in there, okay? Now for the picture, remember how we added that picture over here? So this is where it's being uploaded right there. So we can copy that, we can go back, and we can paste. Let's preview this now. All right, there we go. Now the picture shows small here, but once it actually goes live, you're going to see that it's much bigger than that. So, all right, I do definitely like the way this is looking. Now we need to do is do the name and the caption and the description if you want. So for the name, let me go back over here. I'm just going to steal that right there. I'm going to copy that and put it right in there. Automate your profile, group page, and posting it today. For the caption, there we go. There's a good one. Put your Facebook marketing on cruise. I mean, look at that. So there we go. That's what it looks like right there. I definitely like that, okay? It looks like it's going to convert very well for me. So now I'm going to close preview, and now, right now it's 1:25 in the morning, or 1:23 in the morning. So I'm going to, I'm going to have this go out 1:25, and for the intervals, I'm going to go 450, and then what we're going to do is grab the group, and the group we're going to use is the one we just created, Facebook Group Auto Poster, right there. Okay, now before you push publish post, guys, read this right up here. Very important. Make sure you only schedule one post at a time, otherwise Facebook will block you. So when you are sending posts out, you can only do one at a time. That's why there's a 450-second interval before the next one's sent out, okay? And only send out one offer at a time. So once you get 300-400 groups, well, guess what? You're gonna sometimes it's gonna take 1 or 2 days for all those to go out to all those groups. But in the meantime, you're making money while you're sleeping, while you're playing video games, or while you're outside. That's the beauty of online marketing. So now this is all set up. We did a preview, so now I'm going to publish post. Okay, so it says success. The post has been scheduled to the selected pages and groups. If I go over here to schedules, I'm going to see at the very top that this is scheduled to go out in 1 minute. So now I'm going to pause the video, and then as soon as it starts going out, I'll show you what it looks like on Facebook, okay? Okay, so about 10 minutes later, finally posted on the first group, Affiliate Marketing. And check out our ad, guys. New software allows to post affiliate links, CPA offers, targeted website traffic to any online offer with Facebook groups on autopilot. Amazing features you won't find anywhere else. And check it out right there. We click on it, goes directly to Facebook group auto poster through our affiliate link. And also, if we click on the actual image, it takes us directly to our Facebook group auto poster. So that is it. That is how you make money in 3 easy steps using Facebook groups and the Facebook group auto poster, okay? Let me go back to the very top where we first started, guys. And again, if you enjoyed this training, please like the video, share it on your Google friends, your tweeters, your tweets, whatever they're called, and your LinkedIn, guys. Thanks again for watching. Do subscribe to me on YouTube. Hang out with me on Facebook, and let's work together to make money online. Thanks, and take care.